After you have primed your walls with wallpaper primer, measure out the wall and find the center point. Draw a line from the top to bottom. This is your plumb line and where you will begin wallpapering your wall. Then continue to make additional vertical lines across the wall that are the width of your wallpaper. Next, roll out your wallpaper across the table. Measure out the height of your walls and add 2 inches to the top and to the bottom, so 4 inches of overhang. Use this measurement to cut your wallpaper into strips. Make sure to use a ruler or an L square tool to mark the line on the paper. If you are using a pre-pasted wallpaper, flip it over with the back facing out and use a paint roller and roll water all along the back, making sure that every part of the wallpaper has been submerged with water. To activate the paste, loosely fold both sides of the paper to the center. Don't crease. This is known as booking. Let the paper sit for 2 to 3 minutes while the paste activates. Booking the paper will also make it easy to apply the wallpaper to the wall since the wallpaper is folded in. Grab a helper and a ladder and unfold your booked wallpaper. Hold it up from the top of the wall where you marked your plumb line. Line up the edge of the paper to your plumb line and smooth into place. Then, using a wallpaper brush and plastic smoother, press out any air bubbles and excess paste. Use a wet sponge as needed. This will take a few minutes to completely smooth your wallpaper panel. After smoothing out the wallpaper, use a metal edger and press the paper into the wall's edge at the top and bottom of the wallpaper panel and cut away any excess paper with a sharp utility knife blade. Repeat the process as before, but make sure you are cutting the paper so that the patterns will match up. You will have leftover paper because of this very reason, so it's best to buy an extra roll so you don't run out of paper. Hang the next panel right next to the first, meeting the edges without overlapping. You might need to slide the paper around to make sure the patterns match up. You also have your line markers on the wall to help you along the way. Don't forget to grab your edger and utility blade and cut off any excess paper along the edge. Once completed, decorate and enjoy your finished project.